If you think worm castings are only useful in the growing season, stick around. I'm going to show you 5 surprising winter worm casting benefits that will keep your outdoor soil healthy all winter long. Number 1. Slow-release nutrients. Worm castings contain a natural and balanced blend of macro and micronutrients that are processed by the worms to be more easily absorbed by plants. These nutrients are time-released, providing sustained nourishment to your plants over time. Number 2. Improved soil structure. The granular, crumbly texture of castings helps to loosen compacted soil. This creates more porous soil, which improves aeration, drainage, and root growth. Number 3. Enhanced water retention. Worm castings have high moisture-absorbing properties, which helps sandy soils retain water longer and improves the water-holding capacity of all soil types. This is especially helpful during winter to prevent soil from drying out and to protect against erosion. Number 4. Boosted beneficial microbial life. Castings are rich in beneficial microorganisms, enzymes, and bacteria that supercharge soil biology. These microbes help break down organic matter, which makes more nutrients available to plants and fosters a healthier plant-soil ecosystem. Number 5. Increased pest and disease resistance. Worm castings contain beneficial microbes that help plants develop a stronger immune system and can lead to better resistance against common pests and diseases. They also contain chitinase, a natural enzyme that can deter chewing insects like aphids and mites. Winter is the most overlooked time to build soil health, but it's actually the season when your garden needs the most protection. By adding worm castings now, you're laying the foundation for stronger spring growth, richer soil biology, and plants that can handle stress long before the growing season begins. These benefits don't just help your garden survive winter, they help it thrive. So give your soil a boost now, before the cold weather sets in, and you'll be amazed at the difference come spring. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more garden tips just like this.